What would make ACMi different and what does make ACMi different? The atmosphere we provide. It's a family atmosphere. We put the students' welfare, not just their studies, to the forefront.
Pauline. My name is Sring Chaden.
Hi, my name is Inamullah.
Myself is Prashant Podel.
My name is Marielle.
I'm Raymond.
I come from France, from Paris. I'm from Bhutan.
I'm from Pakistan.
Kathmandu, Nepal.
I'm from the Philippines.
I am from the Philippines.
It's a very lovely city, very enjoyable to live. It's actually a big city. Bhutan is a small country where there are less opportunity. We have less exposure to the outside world, so I'm very happy to come here to study.
Perth is very chill and very laid back compared to where I'm from.
I work as a draft person in Perth.
Well, I believe that my learnings from the college would help me get a job that's related to construction, since I'm currently studying construction design.
I see my future here in Australia working in an engineering industry.
So currently, as we all know, Perth is a regional area and it's continuously developing. So there are a lot of construction projects at the moment right now in Perth.
In Western Australia, construction is ranked at the top in my point of view, developing day by day. We got mining sites here in WA, we got big projects looming around.
One of the biggest challenges is being away from my home country, especially from my family. I was able to overcome it because I do have friends here, especially at school. I get support from them. I also can get support from the college. This city, Perth City, the nature, being laid back, helps me overcome that homesickness.
I think they're very supportive, especially when it comes to our assessment. They are helping us with the extension, with the deadlines, and other support we can get from them.
It's very friendly and all the lecturers are approachable and they are very knowledgeable.
Hello, my name is Usman Ali. I'm from Pakistan. I've been in Australia from the last 2 years. I'm studying Cert 3 in bricklaying and blocklaying. I want to be a builder.
Hello, I'm from Pakistan. I'm doing Certificate 3 in bricklaying and blocklaying. If we compare to our country, Western Australia have the high demand for the housing, and nowadays it's very hard to find a job in our countries about the construction. But here you have the more opportunities in construction, especially in Western Australia compared to other states, because we have to build the more houses for people.
My name is Din. I'm doing a bricklaying study. I want to become a rookie. If my friend want, I will recommend them to go to the ACMi for study rookie.
At ACMi, we provide this blended exposure of training, industrial visits, particularly our labs. We have a dedicated lab which we provide hands-on experience or practicals to the students so that they can better serve industry when they have this sort of practical exposure. We are bringing high-quality trainers. Most of our staff members are PhDs and having a broader experience in the different streams of civil engineering, geotechnical, structure, transportation, and many aspects.
So I work in the accounts office at ACMi. We assist the students who are having troubles making payments with their fees. We still encourage you to attend your classes if you can't afford the fees, but just come and speak to us in the accounts office and we'll see what we can do, how we can help.
Part of my job is actually to help cater a student from the time they step into our college and till the very end of their studies.
At ACMi, we have around 20 trainers, including civil and trade trainers. Currently, we have 3 trainers with PhD in civil engineering and mathematics. The rest of our trainers hold master degrees and have a strong industry experience. All our trade trainers also have many years of hands-on experience.
My name is Ryan. I'm a business development manager here. So business in the sense that we support a student from all over the world, welcoming them to come to our college to study here. I think that's an opportunity. And those offshore, I think, should take the opportunity to study in one of the most developed nations in the world. Come forward, apply to one of our courses in demand to make your future really brighter.
Rejoignez-nous chez ACMi. Nabudisu na construction and design की कॉलेज थपगो नौचिन ACMi ना जेना सिजने
ACMi आए, इधर की पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी है और आपको बहुत अच्छा माहौल मिलेगा.
Kamusta Philippines, come and join us here in ACMi.
اگر شما هم تو ایران هستید و دوست دارید اینجا تحصیل کنید میتونید به ما جوین بشین. میبینیمتون.